Okay, the next shape pattern is we are going to make a girl. Look at this, we are going to fix a girl. Okay, let's begin. Let's count how many blocks there are. Let's start from the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 blocks. Alright, let's count individual colored blocks. We have 1 orange triangle, 2 orange triangles, 3 orange triangles, 4 orange triangles. Okay, let's get 4 triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4 orange triangles, and we have one big red hexagon. One big red hexagon. We have 1, 2, 3 green diamonds. 1, 2, 3 green diamonds. We have 1, 2 yellow trapezoids. 1, 2 yellow trapezoids. We have 1, 2 blue diamonds. 1, 2 blue diamonds. And that's it. Okay, let's begin. Alright, let's begin from the head, from the top. Okay, that looks like head. This looks like hair from the right, another one from the left. Okay, let's make the girl's neck. Okay, let's make her hand. Right hand, left hand, looks like yellow shirt, yellow dress. Okay, finally we are going to make leg for the girl. Ta-da! Alright, that's a match for a girl. We have fixed the girl. Okay, let's put it back. The next pattern looks like a fish. Okay, let's fix the fish. Let's first count how many blocks this fish has. Let's start from the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 blocks. Okay, let's count individual colored blocks. We have 1, 2 blue diamonds. 1, 2 blue diamonds. 1, 2 yellow trapezoids. 1, 2 yellow trapezoids. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 orange triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 orange triangles, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 green diamonds. Okay, let's get 9 green diamonds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 green diamonds. Okay, let's begin. Okay, let's begin with the green diamonds. They look like. Let's start from the top. Ta-da! That's a fish. That's a match. Look, that's a match for a fish. Alright, good job. Let's put it back. Okay, the next shape pattern is rocket. Oh, look at that beautiful rocket. Alright, let's begin by counting how many blocks there are in this rocket. Let's count from the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 blocks. Let's count individual colored blocks. We have one orange triangle. Okay, let's get one orange triangle. One orange triangle. Let's count 1, 2, 3 purple squares. 1, 2, 3 purple squares, and we have one yellow trapezoid. One yellow trapezoid. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blue diamonds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blue diamonds. Okay, that's it. Let's begin. Let's begin by fixing the body of the rocket from the center. There are 3